Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a printer in error state. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to look for your printer plugs. So make sure all the wires is connected properly, just double check them and then look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then we can proceed with other steps. First of all, you need to go to services, then you just need to click on one of the tasks here and press P until you see print spooler, right? Then you just need to right click on it, properties, make sure startup type is automatic, and also make sure service status is running. If it's stop, press start, apply, okay? And then you just need to restart the task by just pressing right click and restart. And after that, restart your printer as well and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, open up Device Manager. On Device Manager, you need to look for a printer. As you can see here on the bottom should be a print queues, and then find your printer. In my case, let's say it's this one. Right click on it, update driver, search automatically for drivers, and it should fix your problem. So yeah, that's basically it.